write the equation of the line parallel to y equals 2x plus 1 that passes through the point 3, 4. Okay, we first want to look what this is asking us here. And we see parallel. Parallel means we're sharing the same slope to this line, which is the 2. So the slope we want is the 2. We grab that from our equation, and we don't need anything else. All we cared about was the slope being 2. Now it passes through this point here, 3, 4. Well, we have a slope, we have a point, and makes me want to use point-slope form here. So to do that, it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 in that formula. Y minus y1, our point here, 4, equals m, our slope 2, times x minus x1, which is a 3. Now, if your teacher is okay with this in point-slope form, then you're good to go. But we're going to simplify this into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. I like that form. So to do that, I'm going to distribute the 2 first across here. So we have y minus 4 equals 2 times x, which is a 2x, minus 2 times 3, which is a 6. From there, we have to add a 4 to both sides to get y by itself. Now we're combining like terms, so we have y equals 4's cancel. 2x comes down, and then minus 6 plus 4 is a minus 2. So 2 ways we can write the line, but our final form here in slope-intercept form is y equals 2x minus 2. Notice same slope, 2, and it will go through that point 3, 4. Now, if we want to quickly check that, we can plug 3, 4 into this line. 4 is our y value, so we have 4 equals a 2 times 3 minus 2. If the left and right are equal, we're good to go. 4 equals 2 times 3 is a 6 minus 2, and 6 minus 2 is a 4. 4 equals 4, we're good. So we confirmed now that the line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 1 and passes through 3, 4 is y equals 2x minus 2.